Flueless water heater. You've got to work on one of these. Nice and simple this one is. You don't have to do the tightness test, but it might be turned off. So I might ask you to do one. If I have asked you to do one, that usually means that you've messed up on your previous ones, or I haven't seen you do a particular task, so I want you to do it again to make sure that you are doing it. Once you've done that, you can then come to this appliance here. Again, visually check it. Make sure the spill sensors are where they're supposed to be, that everything is good, and then we can go to lighting it. So make sure the gas is on. This is in the off position. Then you turn it, activate the piezo, and then hopefully that pilot will light. If it doesn't, you might need to do a bit for a while until it's purged, but once it has, you will get the pilot. Then you leave that for, again, the count of 10 because you're resetting the thermoelectric valve. Then you turn it to on. That is on. On this particular type, you've got a thermocouple with a interrupter, which is the spill sensor, and they all connect to there. Whilst they are all working, that pilot light will stay on. Then you can turn the tap on and check the cold is working. You must do the cold flow rate and temperature, and then you will do the hot flow rate and temperature. So you've got to check the flow rate and the temperature rise between the cold and the hot. Whilst you're doing that, you will be doing another gas rate. Luckily, this one is a metric meter, but the one that might be on the other assessment might be an imperial meter. I haven't decided yet. Once you've done the gas rate, you've checked that it's to the correct manufacturer instructions, everything is good, that it's burning the correct amount, the flow rates are good, and the temperature rise is good. Then you can move on to the next bit, which is testing the spill sensor. So like before, you have a heat-proof mat. The appliance will be on and running. And then all you've got to do is make sure that sits on the top like so, making sure you don't burn your hands. Flames will come out the sides as normal. And then eventually, within 60 seconds, this spill sensor should pick it up, cut the gas supply off, and then this unit should fail to safe. With a flueless sink water heater, the maximum time it can be run for is 5 minutes. It does require ventilation depending on the size of the room. These will change, and they do need an openable window or door direct to outside for them to work properly and safely. All right, so that's an instantaneous water heater. Hopefully it'll all be working and you'll have no problems with this assessment. If it helped, let me know.